Hello and welcome to this quick video. This is for all of you Ardupilot pilots. Now this happens to be a Pixhawk Cube Orange, but this is something for the latest versions of Ardupilot as they've kind of improved something, which is how all the modes are spaced and how they work. Now I've done a video talking about how this works with using the 6 position switch. I'll put a link down below to that. However, another common question that I'm getting asked is how do I do it with mixing 2 switches to access all of the 6 flight modes? So I've set up 2 switches here on the shoulder, and the first one gives me 3 modes. So if I just insert the image here, here's the 6 modes that we have available. So this is going to select flight modes 1, 3 and 5. So the odd numbers on this single 3 position switch. However, if I flick this other switch here, it now gives me even numbers, 2, 4 and 6. Now there's loads of different ways that you could set this up, and I'll just show you how I've set it here to mix those 2 switches together. Now what I've done is I've set this up on channel 8. It needs to be channel 8 for this particular version of Ardupilot. That's the default mode channel for Ardu playing. And what I've done first of all is I have set one mode switch set to SE, which is that switch here on the corner that gives us the odd numbers. The trick here is change the weight to 52% and the offset to -15, because with that set, those 3 values are going to be -67, -15 and +37. And again, if we jump onto the computer, that gives us flight modes 1, 3 and 5. The other thing I've done here is I have added an extra line. Now this is where the magic happens. The source is max. Now max is a slightly odd thing in OpenSGX, and then it kind of takes away the value that you're interested in from having to do with a particular position of a switch or a slider or anything. It kind of always is the same. And I've added the weight to be 26%, and I've made it so that this is added when the switch is not in the back position. So when switch SA is not in the back position, that's what the little exclamation mark means in the front, it adds 26. So watch what happens to the values. It's -67 until I flick the switch, then it becomes 41. So all this switch is doing is just adding 26 onto whatever value the main switch is selecting. And that is the difference between, if we go back on the computer, it being the first 3 things. So if I want channel 1, this main flight control is in the back position. If I want flight control 2, I can switch SA. And then if I flick it into the middle position, it gives me flight control 4 and 6, or I can flick it back and go to flight control 5. Now you can mix switches in any way that you want. I personally prefer this kind of way of doing it with switches because I fly a lot of FPV, and figuring out which of these 6 position switches I've pressed when I'm flying is actually quite tricky. But again, if you wanted to do this, the trick is you first of all select the main 3 position switch and add it like you would for anything else. However, change the weights to 52% and the offset to -15. And then the other thing that I would do, add an extra little modifier, right, that is source max, weight of 26, that's only input when the switch is in one position. So we could have had that the other way round, so that it's only when it's in SA it adds it, but I've done it that way round. And the multiplexer is add, and that way every time we move that switch it adds 26, which changes the flight mode that we have selected from the odd to the next even number. So if I now put the middle switch to the middle position, that's flight mode 3, flick the next modifier switch, that gives me flight mode 4. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.